This video is to show everyone how to back up their Facebook account. If you wish to have a backup of everything for any purpose, this will show you how to do it. I just learned how and backed up mine because on Sunday night I'm going to delete my account and leave Facebook over their political standings. Anyway, watch what I do here on the screen. You go up to your first, you make sure you're on your own home page, and you pick under the arrow here, you pick settings and privacy. Then you go to settings. Then over here you go your Facebook information. And then right here it says download your information. Click on that. At this point, all these check marks over here, you decide which things you want to back up. I really just wanted my videos and pictures and a few other things, but a lot of the stuff I left unchecked. For example, I think I might have chose my posts, photos and videos, my friends list, things like that. At that point, you hit this button over here. It says create file. Now my file was in two parts and it totaled about 8 or 7 gigs. But it takes a while to create. Once you hit create file, it'll start building the file, and it might take a couple hours, at which point Facebook will email you that it's ready. Then you go to this tab right here, it says available copies. Those are my 2 files. 4.8, what's that, like 6? That's almost 7 gigs. So I've downloaded both of these, put them on my hard drive so that I can use them anytime. They're in zip files, and you can look at them on your computer just like if they were on Facebook. I have all of my pictures, all of my videos, which is what was important to me. Anyway, that's how you do it. Have any questions? Just simply text me underneath the posted video, and I'll try to answer them. Okay? Thanks. Bye.